Cough with no fever. Causes and home remedies. Coughing is a natural reflex that helps to clear the airways of mucus and other irritants. Coughs can occur due to a simple irritation in the throat, or they may develop in response to an infection or inhalation of a foreign object. This video outlines the various causes of a cough without a fever, along with their associated treatments. We also provide advice on home remedies and when to see a doctor. Types of cough. Coughing is a natural reflex that helps clear the airways of mucus and other irritants. There are two basic types of cough: productive and non-productive. Productive coughs or wet coughs produce mucus, whereas non-productive coughs or dry coughs do not produce mucus. Coughs also differ according to their severity and duration. The National Heart, Lung and Blood Institute indicate that coughs can be acute, lasting 3 weeks or less, subacute, lasting 3 to 8 weeks and persisting after the infection that caused them has gone, chronic, lasting longer than 8 weeks. This type can occur due to chronic respiratory conditions. Causes. Some potential causes of a cough without a fever. Common cold. Adults typically get 2 to 3 colds a year, and most of these occur due to a group of viruses called rhinoviruses. The common cold may cause a mild to moderate cough, usually without a fever. Other possible symptoms of a cold include sneezing, stuffy nose, sore throat. Treatment. The common cold usually goes away within a week or two without the need for medical treatment. However, a person can take over-the-counter medications to help to alleviate the symptoms. Gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD is a condition in which stomach acid and other stomach contents frequently leak out of the stomach and back into the esophagus. The esophagus is the tube that connects the mouth and stomach. Acid reflux can irritate the lining of the esophagus, triggering a cough. Other possible symptoms include heartburn, pain or difficulty when swallowing, pain in the chest or upper abdomen, nausea, vomiting, bad breath, erosion of tooth enamel. Treatment. The following lifestyle changes may help people to manage GERD. Quitting smoking, avoiding or limiting alcohol, avoiding overeating, avoiding eating within 2 to 3 hours of going to bed, avoiding eating greasy, fatty or spicy foods that may trigger GERD, losing weight if necessary. If lifestyle changes do not lead to an improvement in GERD, a person may require over-the-counter or prescription medications. Postnasal drip. Postnasal drip is where excess mucus builds up in the back of the sinuses and trickles down the back of the throat. This trickling can irritate the throat, causing a person to cough. Other possible symptoms of postnasal drip include sore throat, bad breath, nausea. Treatment. The following home treatments may help to alleviate the symptoms of postnasal drip: keeping hydrated, using a humidifier or inhaling steam, using a nasal irrigator to flush out the sinuses. Post-infectious cough. In some cases, a person can experience a cough without fever after the initial infection has resolved. According to one 2016 article, inflammation increased mucus production and damage to the upper and lower airways can cause a post-infectious cough. A person may experience a post-infectious cough after the following conditions. Bronchitis. This is the medical term for inflammation of the airways. Bronchitis typically causes a productive cough along with a low-grade fever. However, the cough can persist for several weeks after the fever has gone. Whooping cough. This is a bacterial infection of the lungs and airways. The condition can cause violent coughing fits that cause a person to gasp for air. Whooping cough may also cause a low-grade fever, but this typically goes away long before the cough disappears. The cough may last for up to 10 weeks or more. Croup. Croup is a type of respiratory infection that causes swelling of the windpipe or trachea. The initial symptoms of croup may include fever. As the condition progresses, the fever may diminish, but a barking cough and hoarseness may appear. Treatment. Treatment for a post-infectious cough includes medications such as antihistamines, decongestants, dextromethorphan, which is a cough suppressant. Diagnosis. When diagnosing the cause of cough without fever, a doctor will ask about the symptoms a person is experiencing. They may also carry out a physical exam, during which they will use a stethoscope to listen for any unusual sounds in the lungs. A doctor may also recommend other diagnostic procedures, including a chest X-ray or computerized tomography CT scan to check for fluid or abnormalities in the lungs. Allergy tests to determine whether the cough is due to an undiagnosed allergy. A sputum test to check for the presence of infectious pathogens. Blood tests to check for infections or inflammation. Home remedies. An acute cough may sometimes improve following home treatment, such as using a humidifier to keep the air moist, taking hot showers to help alleviate congestion and open the airways, drinking plenty of fluids such as hot tea with honey to soothe irritation, getting plenty of rest to help the body fight an infection. Some people may also find relief by using over-the-counter medications such as cough syrups, throat lozenges, saline nasal sprays. Certain cough and cold medications are not suitable for children. A person can discuss suitable options with their pharmacist or doctor. When to see a doctor. Coughs should improve without medical intervention in 3 to 4 weeks. However, if a cough persists beyond 4 weeks, a person should see their doctor for a diagnosis. A person should also see their doctor if any of the following symptoms accompany their cough: increased mucus production, shortness of breath, chest pain, a bluish tint to the fingertips and lips, blood in the mucus that is dark and contains bits of food or what looks like coffee grounds.